Let's get a look at the forecast with 7 First Alert meteorologist Chris Edwards. Chris, they only have so much time on that water, right?
Well, that's right. I think things are going to go downhill, but isn't that just a gorgeous shot? We don't want to take that for granted. It is beautiful, and it is a fine morning here. And I think for at least the next hour or so, maybe even 2 or 3 hours, most of us are going to be rain-free. But we are watching some showers and storms that are likely to bubble up and actually move into the area right around midday. Showers, maybe a thunderstorm. We are not expecting severe weather around here. That'll be just to the south. We're thinking northeast Indiana into northern Ohio, probably the most likely area to see some severe weather, but that'll be moving away from us. We're less humid tomorrow, and highs will be in the lower 80s. It's going to be a gorgeous day tomorrow, so another day for sunglasses to be handy. The unsettled weather pattern, though, that we've really had for several weeks, it's kept our precipitation at or above average. Well, it looks like that continues on into the next week. You'll see that coming up in just a bit. But right now, again, another beautiful look at how things are, and temps mostly in the mid-range of the 70s right now. Not warming all that fast, but it's humid, so it feels warmer than this is, especially if you're in the sunshine. Remember, those official temperatures are taken in the shade. So if you want to cool off a little, get yourself into the shade. Right now, we're rain-free. There are clouds and showers off to the west of us, right along the I-94 corridor or just south of there. Again, we've seen these weakening a little as they get to the east. We really don't think they're going to get out of hand, but you notice we have some to the north of us as well, even a few thunderstorms. So some of that action could get in here the middle of the day. I don't want you to be surprised about it. When it happens, remember, if thunder roars, you've got to go indoors and make sure you're safe. Even if it's not severe weather, it's the kind of thing you need to get away from. Scattered showers and storms as the frontal system gets ready to push through. Again, the heavier development will be just off to the south of us. So here's a futurecast, and this is later on this morning. Now, this particular computer model may be a little heavy on some of this rain, but the general idea is by that time there will be some spotty showers and maybe even a thunderstorm in the area. But look what happens by 5 o'clock. The nasty action is off to the southeast of us, yes, as close as Sandusky and central Lake Erie, but it will be moving off to the east as the drier air starts to filter in, setting us up for a beautiful, cooler night tonight. Nice for looking for meteors in the atmosphere tonight. As far as today, though, look for the sunshine. It's going to be there along with those scattered showers and thunderstorms. High about 84. And then overnight tonight, we do lose the clouds, upper 50s in some of the cooler outlying areas. Most of us in the low to mid range of the 60s. And look at this 7-day forecast. After that beautiful Sunday, there you go Monday. 70% chance of showers and storms. Could be some heavy rain in that. Lingering a bit on Tuesday. And then temperatures actually a little below average as we move through next work week. Stay with us. We'll be right back.